Hello, my name is Sylvia or Sylvia Olo of Spinkly Creations, and I just thought I would introduce myself into this channel because you haven't really seen my face. This is what I look like. My name is Sylvia Olo and I am the person who creates for Spinkly Creations. So I thought I would come here and talk to you guys and do different things differently this year. So if you're new here, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications and join my channel. Spinkly is basically my name, Sylvia, from Sylvia, and pink, my favorite color. So I put the word pink in between Sly to get the word Spinkly. And Spinkly means fantastic according to the Urban Dictionary, and I want to believe that my work is fantastic. So please just give me great vibes, which is also the name for Spinkly. So Spinkly Creations, which is fantastic creations. So my word for this year is intentional, and that is what I'm gonna be designing today. Intentional. I just wanted to come in front of you guys because normally you guys just get to hear my voice, and I thought this was the perfect year to introduce myself to my channel. So it's kind of like I'm rebranding. So I hope you guys are gonna like, subscribe, and join me on my journey. I'm not usually comfortable talking in front of the camera, but I figured that with my 2 viewers, 3, 8, 10, my channel is just growing, and I figured that we can grow together. I get comfortable talking in front of the camera, get comfortable talking to you guys, and we can get to know each other as well on a personal level, not just my voice like you usually do, or my hands, my fingers. I know you guys are used to my fingers now. And so with my word for this year, that's why I'm being intentional with what I'm putting out. I need you guys to connect, to be able to connect me as a person and my creations, and be able to make a connection. I'm gonna be designing the word intentional for this if you want to continue watching. And yeah, let's just be intentional with what you're doing this year, intentional with what you're putting out, see how I can grow my channel, get to know you guys, get comfortable, try new things. If it's not working, then you can go back to hearing my voice, and I guess that's it. So for the rest of the video, it's gonna be a speed art of me creating the word intentional for my desktop or my phone, and I'm basically just gonna take a picture, create it on Illustrator using the pen tool for the outline, and then I move it to Photoshop for the coloring process. So just follow along. If you want to slow down the speed of the video, you can. And if you just want to see it come together and enjoy the video, then you can just relax and chill and enjoy the music.